Human male reproductive system. Human male reproductive system is a vital system located in the pelvic region of male and includes the following organs: testis, the sperm-producing organ; accessory ducts, sperm-carrying organ; accessory glands, the penis lubricating organ; penis, the main copulatory organ. Testis. The testes are also known as the testicles. They are the male gonads that produce sperm cells. The testes are often present within an extension of the abdomen called the scrotum. The scrotum helps in maintaining the low temperature of testis for spermatogenesis. Each testis is oval in shape and covered by the dense fibrous connective tissue covering called tunica albuginea. Each testis is lobulated into many compartments called the testicular lobules by tissue septa. Each of the lobule contains 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules. Each seminiferous tubule contains 2 types of cells: Sertoli cells, spermatogenic cells. The epithelium of the tubule consists of Sertoli cells, which are tall, columnar type cells that line the tubule. The Sertoli cell has also been called the mother or nurse cell because its main function is to nurture the developing sperm cells through the stages of spermatogenesis. In between the Sertoli cells, there are spermatogenic cells which differentiate into sperm cells through meiosis. Surrounding the seminiferous tubules, there is a space called interstitial space. In this space, some small vessels and Leydig cells are present. Leydig cells are polyhedral in shape, display a large prominent nucleus, cytoplasm, and numerous lipid-filled vesicles. These cells are responsible for secreting testicular hormones called androgens, mainly testosterone. Some immunogenic cells are also present here. Male accessory ducts. Male accessory ducts include rete testis, vasa efferentia, epididymis. Vas deferens. Seminiferous tubule open into vasa efferentia through rete testis. After that, vasa efferentia leave the testis and open into epididymis, which is present along the posterior surface of each testis. Epididymis is an elongated, flattened structure comprises of highly coiled tube which is divided in head, body and tail part. These are engaged in physiological maturation of sperms. Epididymis leads to vas deferens or seminal ducts. It is a long, narrow, tubular structure that finally form ampulla. It receives a duct from seminal vesicles and opens into urethra as ejaculatory duct. These ducts store and transport sperms from the inside of testes to the outside through urethra, which extended from urinary bladder to the external opening called urethral meatus. Male accessory glands. Male accessory glands include seminal vesicles, prostate, Cowper's gland. Seminal vesicles are a pair of elongated, circulated glands. Each gland forms as an outbucketing of the wall of ampulla of each vas deferens. The excretory duct of seminal gland opens into the vas deferens as it enters the prostate gland. Prostate is a compound tubule-alveolar exocrine gland of the male reproductive system. It secretes a slightly alkaline fluid, milky or white in appearance, that usually constitutes more or less 1/3 of the volume of the semen, along with the spermatozoa and the seminal vesicle fluid. Cowper's glands are almost pea-shaped glands located posterior and lateral to the membranous portion of the urethra at the base of the penis. Its secretion helps in lubricating the penis. Penis. It is the cylindrical, erectile male copulatory organ of male reproductive system. Penis is divided into 3 parts: root of penis, body of penis, glans penis. The tip of the penis is highly sensitive, which is known as glans penis. It is a slit-like opening of both reproductive and urinogenital system. This portion is covered by a retractile skin fold, namely prepuce. Penis helps in copulation during reproduction.